Dear friends, good afternoon everyone. Today's my topic is on SQL structured query language. Actually, structured query language is used to communicate with the database. You know the database like examples Oracle, Ingres, Sybase, Access, Microsoft SQL Server, everything is there. And in everyday's life, we know about database is very much required. Everywhere we are using online applications, there and all we are using the database. For this purpose, we need the SQL to communicate with the database. SQL mainly classified into three types, that is data definition language, data manipulation language and data control language. In data definition language, we are going to construct an abstract, say for example, create table and drop table is used to create the tables and to drop the table, structure of the table. See for example, everywhere we are using data, those data are stored in the form of table in the database. See, create table is used to create the table, and in data manipulation language we are using insert, update, delete commands. In insert table command, we are going to insert the data into the table. Data manipulation command means, say for example, update statement is there to update the existing records. And again delete command is used to delete a particular row in the table. Similarly, DCL command, in DCL command revoke and grant and revoke permissions are there. You can grant the permission for the public or particular user or taking of the permission using the revoke command. So, this is a simple topic regarding SQL. Thank you.